Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard state board business maths chapter 2 exercise 2.2 integrate root of 2x minus 1 by root 2x the whole square. Can write the integration of root of 2x minus 1 by root of 2x the whole square into dx. You know the formula for a minus b the whole square formula. What is a minus b the whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it gives integral a square minus 2ab minus 2ab minus 2ab plus b square plus b square plus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it get cancelled into dx. It get cancelled. So what is the answer for this? Integral root and square get cancelled. What is the answer you are getting? 2x. Here minus 2x minus 2 1 plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x into dx. 1 by 2x into dx. If you thorough the formula, you will do it straight away or you can do it separately. 2 is a constant, take it out, x dx minus 2 is a constant, take it out, dx plus 1 by 2 is a constant, take it out. What is the remaining thing? 1 by x into dx. So it gives 2 into x power 1 x square by 2 x power 1 x square by 2, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 into integral dx is what? X. Integral dx is x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Dx is nothing but what? Log of mod x plus c. Log of mod x plus c. So 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. What is the answer? X square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 log of mod x plus c. Log of mod x plus c. See the second sum, x power 4 minus x square plus 2 by x minus 1. Compared to the denominator, numerator power is greater. See, the power of the highest power of the numerator is 4, but the denominator is 1. If it is like this, you can divide the term. See here, you can do it in a division. Okay, x power 4 minus x square plus 2, x power 4 minus x square plus 2, x minus 1. So x cube into x become x power 4. X cube minus x is minus x cube. So cancel the term. Minus, it become plus. You reduce the value. What is this? X cube. You bring it minus x square down plus 2. You bring it minus x square down plus 2. Compare these two numbers. First number by first number. You studied in the 10th standard itself. See that. What is the value? Plus x square plus x square. So x square into x cube. X square into x cube minus into plus minus x square. Minus into plus minus x square. You change the sign. Minus plus. Cancel. What is the remaining thing? 2. How you will write? Quotient. You will write integral dx. You will write it here. Integral quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. See here, this is quotient. This is remainder. This is divisor. D. Q plus R by D. What is Q? x cube plus x square plus what is r? R is 2 by x minus 1. 2 by x minus 1 into dx. Now you integrate. See here, if you know, you will do it straight away, or otherwise x cube dx plus integral x square dx plus 2 is a constant, you can take it out, integral 1 by x minus 1 into dx. See, power 3. You know the formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 into, see, you know very well, integral of dx. Integral of 1 by x into dx equal to log of mod x plus c. Log of mod x plus c. See the power of the x in the denominator. It is power 1. 1 means you can apply that rule, apply that formula. So you will write log of mod x minus 1 plus c, because it is a constant. You differentiate, that is, what is the property means, you differentiate the denominator, you will get the value of the numerator log of the term, that is log of the denominator. Once again I repeat, if you differentiate the denominator, you get the value of the numerator. What is the answer? Log of the denominator. See here, x differentiation is 1. 1 differentiation is 0. So, log of the denominator. What is the denominator value? Log of mod of x minus 1 plus c. So, what is the answer? See here, what is the answer? X cube, x power 4 by 4 plus x cube by 3. X cube by 3 plus 2 log mod of x minus 1 plus c. 2 log mod of x minus 1 plus c. See the third sum, integral x cube by x plus 2 into dx. So, the numerator is, the power of the numerator is 3 and the power of the denominator x power is 1. So, if it is like this, you will divide the term by division. See here, x plus x cube, x plus 2, x cube, x plus 2. First term by first term, first term by first term. What is the answer you are getting? X square. X square plus x, x cube plus 2x square plus 2x square. Change the sign. Change the sign, it become 0. What is the remaining thing? Minus 2x square. Again, first term by first term. Minus 2x square by x. Cancel. What is the value? Minus 2x. You will write it here. Minus 2x. Minus 2x into x. Minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Minus 2 into plus 2. What is the value? Minus 4x. Subtract. Subtract means plus. Plus. Change the sign. So, it cancel 0. What is this? 4x. Again first term by first term. 4x by x. X get cancelled. What is the value? Plus 4. 4 into x, 4x. 4 2s are 8. Plus 8. You change the sign. Minus, minus cancel. What is the thing? Minus 8. This is Q, quotient. This is the remainder. This is divisor. See D. How you will write? Q plus R by D. How you will write? You will write Q plus R by D. You will write in your way Q plus R by D. What is Q? X square minus 2x plus 4. R. What is R? Minus 8 by D is x plus 2 into dx. Into dx. You want separate means you can separate and differentiate. X square into dx minus 2 into x into dx, because constant I can take it out, plus 4 into dx minus 8 you can take it out, 1 by x plus 2 into dx. 1 by x plus 2 into dx. See here, x square, x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, it is power 1, 2 into x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, okay, plus 4 into integral dx. Integral dx is x minus 8 into, I told you, when you differentiate the denominator you can get the value of the numerator, then log of the denominator. See here, x differentiation is 1, 2 differentiation is 0. So, I am getting the value of the numerator. So, I will write log of the denominator. Okay, see, minus 8 into log of modulus of x plus 2 plus c. So, what is that value? I will write it here. What is that value I am getting? What is the final answer? X cube by 3. Final answer is x cube by 3 minus 2x square by 2 minus 2x square by 2 plus 4x plus 4x. See, plus 4x minus 8 log of mod x plus 2 plus c. So, 2 get cancel. 2 get cancel. What is the answer? X cube by 3 minus x square plus 4x minus 8 log of mod x plus 2 plus c. Mod x plus 2 plus c. So, this is the answer. See, the same way the power, numerator power is 3 and the denominator is 1, you will divide the term. See here, x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 11 divided by x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. First term by first term, x square. X square into x cube plus 5x square. Change the sign. Minus, minus, cancel the term, minus 2x square minus 7x. First term by first term, minus 2x, because minus 2x square by x you cancel, what is the value you are getting? Minus 2x. So, minus 2x, minus 2x into x, minus 2x square, minus into minus 2x square, minus 2x into x, minus 2x square, my plus into minus, minus 10x. Change the sign, change the sign, plus, plus, cancel the thing. What is the remaining thing? 3x, 3x plus 11. Again the first term by first term you are getting the value plus 3. First term by first term you are getting the value plus 3. 3x, 3x plus 15. 3x plus 15 you change the sign. You change the sign. Minus, minus cancel, minus 4. The same thing you will write q plus r by d. Q plus r by d. How you will write? Q plus r by d. So, you will write integral. What is q? X square minus 2x plus 3. What is the remainder? Minus 4 by d is x plus 5 into dx. X plus 5 into dx. Now, you separate. x square dx minus 2 is constant, you can take it out, minus 2 into x dx plus 3 is constant, take it out, dx minus 4 is constant, take it out, 1 by x plus 5 into dx. See here, see here, x square dx is nothing but what? X power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. If you know, you will write straight away. Minus 2 x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, because power 1, plus 3 into integral dx is x, minus 4, I told you, the denominator x plus 5, differentiation of x is 1 and 5 is 0, log of mod of x plus 5 plus c. Once you differentiate, you don't put integration sign. What is the answer? X cube by 3, x cube by 3 minus 2x square by 2, minus 2x square by 2, minus 2x square by 2 plus 3x minus 4 log of x plus 5, log of modulus of x plus 5 plus c. 2 get cancelled. So it gives x cube by 3 minus x square, x cube by 3 minus x square plus 3x minus 4 log of mod x plus 5 plus c is the answer. See the fifth sum, 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. But here the denominator power is greater than the numerator. So in case you will do it as a partial method, partial fraction. You know very well, you studied in the 11th standard itself. See here, you can split the term a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. A by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. So 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to, you can do it as a cross multiplication, a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 get cancelled. See here, now you should find out the value of what? A and B is a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Put x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3. What is the value of this? It will become 0. Good. So 3 into 3 plus 2. Substitute the x value by 3. 3 into 3 plus 2 equal to a into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 minus 2. So 9 plus 2 value is what? 11 equal to this value become totally 0. 0 into any number? 0. B into 1. So what is the value of B? B equal to, what is the value of B? B equal to 11. B equal to 11. Next, put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means this value become 0. You can take the number in such a way that one term become 0. So 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 into 2 plus 2. A into 2 minus 3 plus b into 2 minus 2. B into 2 minus 2. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 what? 8. 8 equal to a into minus 1 plus b into 0. 0 into any number? 0. What is the value of a? A equal to minus 8. So you replace that value of a and b by what? A value is minus 8 and b value is 11. See here, 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 3 equal to x minus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to, what is the value of a? A is minus 8 by x minus 2, minus 8 by x minus 2. B value is plus 11 by x minus 3. B value is plus 11 by x minus 3. See, now you integrate 3x plus 2 by x minus 2. X minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx equal to integral minus 8 by x minus 2 into dx plus integral 11 by x minus 3 into dx. So, you bring the constant term out, 1 by x minus 2 into dx, 1 by x minus 2 into dx plus 11 into 1 by x minus 3 into dx. So, what is the differentiation of x? 1. Differentiation of 2 is 0. So, it gives minus 8 log of mod x minus 2. That power is 1 means you will write minus 8 log of x minus 2. So, the power is 1, that is x power is 1 means you straight away write log of modulus of x minus 2 plus 11 into log of modulus of x minus 3 plus c. So, minus 8 into log of modulus of x minus 2 plus 11 into log of modulus of x minus 3 plus c. See the sixth sum, 4x square plus 2x plus 6 by x plus 1 the whole square by x minus 3. What is the power, highest power in the numerator? Yeah, 2. See the denominator, the power is 3. So, if the power is less, we can do it in a division method. But if the power is more, you can do it in a partial method. See, partial fraction. See, it gives, you can split up the term a by x plus 1, a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 the whole square plus b by x plus 1 the whole square plus c by x minus 3 plus c by x minus 3. So, it gives x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 3, x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 3, a into x plus 1, a into x plus 1 into x minus 3. See, 1 x plus 1 gets cancelled. What is the remaining thing you are having? Because the LCM is x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x plus 1 the whole square. A into x plus 1 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x plus 1 the whole square. What is this side? Left hand side. 4x square plus 2x plus 6 by x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 3. It get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? 4x square plus 2x plus 6 equal to a into x plus 1 into x minus 3, x plus 1 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x plus 1 the whole square. So, put x equal to minus 1. This term gets 0 because minus 1 plus 1 gives 0. This term gets 0. What is the remaining thing? 4 into minus 1 the whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 6 equal to 4 into minus 1 the whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 6 equal to, this term gets 0. The last term also gets 0 because 0 into any number? 0. B into minus 1 minus 3. B into minus 1 minus 3. So 4. Minus 1 the whole square is 1. 4 minus 2 plus 6. It gives minus 4b. It gives minus 4b. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 equal to minus 4b. B equal to minus 2. B value equal to minus 2. See, B value equal to minus 2. Then you can put x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3. This term gets 0 and this term gets 0. What is the last term? C. See here, 3. 4 into 3 square plus 2 into 3 plus 6. 4 into 3 square plus 2 into 3 plus 6 equal to, this term gets 0 because 3 minus 3 is 0. B into 3 minus 3 is 0. C into 3 plus 1 the whole square. So 4 into 9, 36. 9 fours are 3 square is 9. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 6 plus 6. 3 twos are 6 plus 6 equal to C into 3 4 square. 4 square. So 36 plus 12, 48. 36 plus 12, 48 equal to 16C. C equal to 48 by 16, it gives 3. So B value equal to minus 2 and C value equal to 3. Now you equate the coefficient of x square on both the sides. C equating coefficient of x square, equating coefficient of x square on both sides. On both sides, equating coefficient of x square on both sides. So what is the value you are getting? 4 equal to x into x, x square, a, because a x square, here c x square, a plus c, because x square plus 2x plus 1 c x square. But there is no x square term here. So 4 equal to a plus, what is the value of c? 3. C value is what? 3. So a equal to 4 minus 3. A equal to 4 minus 3. A equal to 1. So you at last you found the value of a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 2 and c equal to 3. See, 1 by a value 1 by x plus 1, b value is minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square, c value equal to 3 by x minus 3. So now you integrate 1 by x plus 1 into dx minus 2, you can take it as constant, 1 by x plus 1 the whole square into dx plus 3, you can take it out, 1 by x minus 3 into dx. See, here the power is 1. So we have no problem, straight away you can apply the formula for log, because when you differentiate the denominator you can get the value of numerator. Is it okay? But here the power is 2. If it is like this, that term you bring it to the numerator. See here, integral 1 by x plus 1 into dx minus 2 into, you bring it to the numerator, x plus 1 minus 2, x plus 1 whole power minus 2 into dx plus 3 into integral 1 by x minus 3 into dx. Is it clear for you? Yeah. So now you apply log of mod of x plus 1. Log of mod of x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 3 into log of mod of x minus 3 plus c. 3 into log of mod of x minus 3 plus c. See here, what is the answer? Log of mod of x plus 1, mod of x plus 1, okay, minus 2 into x plus 1 whole power minus 1 by minus 1 whole power minus 1 by minus 1 plus 3 log of mod of x minus 3 plus c. Minus and minus become plus. See here, log of mod of x plus 1, minus into minus become plus 2 by, you bring it to the denominator because the power is negative, so you bring it to the denominator. Here x plus 1, 2 by x plus 1 plus 3 log of mod of x minus 3 plus c. 3 log of mod of x minus 3 plus c.